Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see how to import fees in bulk. So as you know, we need to log in to the cashier panel. So on screen we are on the browser, and the link would be the link for cashier panel to enter the cashier panel. So it's institution.vawsum.com. so you can also open this same link from web.vawsum.com and then eventually click on cashier. Are you a cashier? If you click on that link, it will open the screen for you. So once you put in the username and the password for the cashier, please click on login. Once you click on login and enter the cashier panel, on the top left corner you will find a feature which has been introduced as bulk upload. On clicking this option, the page would open the panel for you from where you can upload the fees in bulk. So we'll see the steps how to do this. First you select the academic year, then click on download Excel. They should download an Excel for you. It's a predefined template, so as the file name should be transaction sheet. Once the file is downloaded, please try opening the file. So it would look similar to this. Now from here you can select the relevant information. So for example, I select the fee book name. Now all the red you see on screen are mandate as a header. So admission number, student ID, either of the information you can put in. So here we will try with the student ID. It's available by default in Vawsum system. Once you export the student list, you will also be able to see the student ID. If your school has the admission number, you can, and that is maintained in Vawsum system, you can also put in the admission number. You can put in both the information simultaneously as admission number as well as student ID, or any one of the information would do. So as you can see, we are filling up the details such as the student ID along with the student name. Okay, now school fee book name could be different or could be same as well for all three students. You put in the amount, okay, and you put in the pay date. So the pay date should be the current date. It could be the past date as well. Please ensure you put in the collected date, because this would reflect as it is while reconciliation and in all reports. Okay. Once the pay date is filled, please select the payment mode. So this would reflect on which mode the fees has been captured, whether in the bank or at the cash counter. So even in the bank, if the amount has been deposited using net banking, so you have the information, please select the payment mode accordingly. Bank name, these are not mandate. Just for an example, we are filling up this information. So ideally for cash there is no transaction reference number which is maintained in bank. However, if you want, you can still mention it. So here you can mention this information, U3R okay, so it should not be the same transaction number for all. It cannot be the same. Okay, and in remarks, it's up to you. You can put in the information according to your wish. So all I select here is bank deposit. Okay, now just to check the status while we upload, after we upload, let's delete any one of the information and let's try checking out how exactly it shows after we make the upload. So once you are done with filling up all the form, please click on save. You can use Ctrl and S to save this file from your keyboard, or you can simply click on file and then click on save. So both are same. Once you are sure of filling up all the information, you can go ahead and click on choose file. Before we do that, I would just need to mention here, the moment you enter this panel, please ensure that you read out all the on-screen instructions mentioned over here, because this would help you upload the file error free. So this would help you to get a good upload. So please ensure that you read all the on-screen instructions available on screen. So once you read out all the instructions and once the file is all saved, you click on choose file. You select the desired file. Please do not change the file name. It is important that it remains the same. And you click on upload Excel. It will give you a prompt. If the uploading file has entries with payment mode cash, it will not detect any duplicate entries without having transaction reference number. So if it is a cash entry and it doesn't have the transaction reference number, school is not maintaining, so it would not detect any duplicate entries if it in case for any mistakenly it is uploaded. So this is a warning. This is just a warning. So we are done with the upload. You click on OK. Now we have both the records in place in front of our screen. One entry considered to be invalid records. We have the error reason over here. Admission number and student ID is empty. So as we already know that any one of the information should be there on the file. So these are two mandate options, either of which should be there in the file. So let's go back to the file once and check. See, this is where we left it blank on purpose, just to check the status on screen while uploading the fees in bulk. The rest two are all unapproved records, which after uploading you need to approve it from here. You can click on approve all, so both get all the entries under unapproved records would get approved at one go and start reflecting in cashier panel. And however, the invalid records would not reflect, and you can make the necessary corrections from here. You have this option of edit the entry or you cancel this entry. So under action column you can click on edit option and you can put in the student ID. Now please ensure the student should be mapped with the fee book over here, that is important. So let's find out Shivam Shom. So for Shivam Shom, let's put in the student ID over here and then save the changes. See, it will give you the prompt entry uploaded successfully. Once you do that, the rejected status would automatically get in or updated in unapproved records. So now all three transactions are showing under unapproved records. Once you see this information with the student ID, once you click on, you can approve it one at a time, or you can click on approve all. See, I am clicking on this tick icon on the right, extreme right, under actions column. So it says entry approved successfully. Similarly, if you click approve all, so it will help you to approve all the entries all at one go. Now it's showing approved records. Simultaneously, this would start reflecting in cashier panel payment capture grid, so from where you capture the records. So please understand, this takes a little time, maybe half an hour, so for 20 minutes to half an hour to start reflecting in the cashier panel, but from here it will show you as approved. So you can be rest assured that all the files or all the entries gets uploaded successfully. Now there is one point I should mention here. So why this bulk upload has been introduced? This actually helps the cashier to make the entries at one go. Whichever payments, these are mostly used for the transactions or the deposits. If the parents, they are making through bank, so at times school has the facility to get the money deposited in bank directly. So there is a statement that comes into the school from the bank end of the day. So to update those records, so far cashier has to handle it one entry at a time. So now onward, it's just the file. If the cashier has the Excel file or the soft copy of all the entries from the bank, the cashier can go ahead and get use of this feature, which is a bulk entry in fees panel. So this has successfully been in use, and now onward you can easily go ahead and upload all the fees collected or deposited from any other resources in bulk. Thank you.